Pandit Kishan Maharaj, born on September 3, 1923, was a renowned Indian tabla player from the Banaras Gharana of Hindustani classical music. Known for his unique playing style, which featured complex and rapid rhythm patterns, he captivated audience with his exceptional technique. Maharaj performed extensively in India and abroad, earning acclaim and numerous awards, including the Sangeet Natak Akla Academy Award. His contributions greatly influenced the Indian classical music and inspired many tabla players. He passed away on May 4, 2008, near Varanasi at the age of 84. On September 3, 2009, the mutilated body of former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S.R. Reddy was found following a plane crash. The helicopter he was in went missing on September 2 in the Nalamala forest, and the wreckage was discovered the next day on Rudrakund Hill near Kurnool. All 5 people aboard, including Reddy, were killed. The search operation, one of the India's largest, involved ISRO satellite support and 5,000 CRPF personnel. The wreckage was eventually located by an Air Force Mi-8 helicopter, leading the Prime Minister's office to confirm the crash and the deaths of all 5 passengers. Prithvi Raj Kapoor, born on September 3, 1906 in Pakistan, was a prominent actor and producer in the Indian cinema and theatre. Hailing from a prosperous Punjabi Khatri family, he studied at Khalsa College in Lahore, where he developed a passion for theatre. Kapoor began his film career in 1928 with the silent film Do Dhari Talwar and went on to star in notable films such as Sikandar and Mughal-e-Azam. In 1944, he founded Prithvi Theatre to promote cultural awareness and advancement in Indian society. His theatre company staged plays on social issues, patriotism and human values, significantly influencing Indian theatre. Kapoor was honoured with the Padma Bhushan in 1969 and Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 1971. He passed away on May 29, 1972. On September 3, 1783, the Treaty of Paris was signed between America and Britain, officially recognizing the United States as an independent nation. This treaty ended the American Revolutionary War and marked the conclusion of Britain's colonial rule over America. The conflict began in 1760s due to growing discontent among American colonists over British taxes and policies, leading to the Revolutionary War in 1775. The 13 American colonies declared their independence on July 4, 1776. After years of struggle, the Treaty of Paris was signed, establishing peace between Britain and America.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
On September 3, 2013, Microsoft acquired Nokia's mobile phone and services division for $7.2 billion. The deal included $5 billion for Nokia's mobile phone business and $2.7 billion for its patent rights. As a result, Nokia's 32,000 employees, including CEO Stefan Ellep, joined Microsoft. Nokia was a leading mobile phone brand in 1990s and 2000s, but its market share declined with the rise of smartphones. Microsoft also struggled to find success with Nokia's mobile division. In 2016, Microsoft sold the Nokia brand to HMD Global and FIH Mobile, leading to the reintroduction of Nokia phones with Android operating systems. On September 3, 1875, the world's first polo match was played in Argentina near Buenos Aires, featuring teams from Buenos Aires and Ireland. This event sparked the growth of polo in Argentina, where it became a major sport. The Argentine Open Polo Championship, held annually in Buenos Aires, is one of the most prestigious polo tournaments globally. In India, the Indian Polo Association was established in 1892 with prominent polo teams from princely states like Jaipur, Bhopal, Alwar, Bikaner and Hyderabad. Polo continued to thrive in India after independence, and in 1957, the Indian polo team won the World Championship title in France.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.